This right here is a Cossack Kohlrabi. And I got a couple of them in this bed. This is a 10-foot bed. I got celery right there and Kohlrabi, and then there's some beets, and these beets are kind of being overshadowed by the Kohlrabi, and I think it's time to harvest them. And then beyond the beets we have potato onions. Oh, those are shallots, and another celery right there. This is really a nice one here, and I'm going to see how easy it is to pull it out of my friable soil. Let's see. Ooh. I pulled one out. This one's a little bigger. I pulled one out the other day and it come out really easy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that soil. Look at that. It's just perfect. And when you got live soil like that, the root systems really grow. You see, when you use a lot of fertilizer, you don't get all that root system. You just get a couple of tap roots, because basically what you're doing is forcing the plants to drink the fertilizer. Because that's the only way it becomes available, is as a water form. We'll take this and we'll chop her up, and we'll have some for breakfast. Ooh, it just breaks. Look at how easy that breaks. Look at this. Watch this. I'm going to focus here. Watch that. That's really full of water. Soil doesn't look to be that moist, but it is. Every single particle of soil will hold water. Every single particle of soil will hold water right close to it at 15 atmospheres of pressure. There isn't much that can get that off. Oh, there it is. We loosen that bed up a little bit now. Still got two more in that bed. I got about 30 of them around the property. So I'll be in Kohlrabi for a while. Well, I'm going to clean this up. I'm going to get a slice off for breakfast.